So, Kajal, why do you want to work in the finance industry?
I have one subject, the personal finance.
हाँ,
There are learn about how to our finance invest in other things.
very
That's
good. कोई भी एक टेक्निक बोलो that this is the technique that I have recently learned and I'm going to use this technique going forward in my work so that I can manage tight deadlines also and I can be productive at work. So this is how I'm going to manage my time. It's what you've done your graduation from. Why are you passionate about finance? What skills do you have? It is very good. Hi Kajal, good afternoon.
good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay. So Kajal, introduce yourself to me.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Kajal. I am from Delhi, and I am currently graduate from with a BCom degree from SPMC College, Shama Prasad Mukherjee College. I'm passionate about learn new skills and increase my ability to learn other things. And during my studies, I complete two internship there where I learned leadership, time management, self management, and teamwork. And I have a certification internet banking, and I built my career to your company. And this is my intro to help good relation between your company and me. Thank you.
Okay, good Kajal. I know that you're nervous. It's okay. आपके answers हैं. You have the points. It's just that you lack practice. Okay? When you practice more, your answer is going to come more fluently. ठीक है? So the first thing that I would say is there are few grammatical errors. So correct them. Put them on Grammarly. तो आपका grammar correct होके आ जाएगा. ठीक है? That is the first thing. Second, you have given all the points. What you have done your graduation from, why are you passionate about finance, what skills do you have, it is very good. Okay, but what you also need to add is give some relevant skills which will be applicable in finance industry also. ठीक है, जैसे क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग हुआ, डिसीजन मेकिंग हुआ, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग हुआ, कम्युनिकेशन हुआ, टाइम मैनेजमेंट हुआ. स्पीक अबाउट स्किल्स दैट आर अलाइंड विद द फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री. ठीक है. And the other thing that you need to talk about is a proper conclusion. I'm looking forward to build my career with your company and also to contribute to the success of the organization. Otherwise, ऐसा लगेगा आप सिर्फ अपने personal benefit के लिए ये कर रहे हो. You have to show that you also want the company to grow and you also want to grow along with the company. ठीक है? So
Yes.
these are better ways in which you can frame your introduction better. ठीक है? और जब आपने अगर एक बार मेरे को good afternoon बोल दिया, तो वापस से when I'm asking you to introduce myself, you don't have to say good afternoon. Just say hello ma'am, my name is Kajal. ठीक है? आपका पूरा नाम ही काजल है or do you have a surname?
No, ma'am. पूरा नाम ही मेरा काजल है.
काजल है. हाँ, then it's perfect. ठीक है? So now let's go to the next question. So Kajal, why do you want to work in the finance industry?
Because of ma'am, during my studies, I have some finance related subject like accounting, banking, and personal finance subject. So that my interest in finance. That's why I work with finance industries.
Okay. So one thing that I really appreciate, Kajal, is you're making an attempt to speak in English. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, because आप अभी मेरे सामने एक बार बोल रहे हो, बट आप मेरे सामने और ये 5 बार बोलोगे या कैमरा के सामने और 5 बार बोलोगे, यू गेट मोर कॉन्फिडेंट विद द लैंग्वेज. सो दैट इज गुड. कीप इट अप. ठीक है. डोंट यूज हिंदी. कंटिन्यू इन इंग्लिश, विच इज गुड. सेकेंड थिंग इज यू कैन ऐड इवन मोर बेटर पॉइंट्स. ठीक है. सो काजल, फ्रॉम विच इंडस्ट्री आर यू इन? मतलब आपने अभी किस चीज पे अपना ग्रेजुएशन किया है?
Ma'am, BCom program.
बीकॉम किया है. ओके. नाउ टेल मी, आपको फाइनेंस में इंटरेस्ट क्यों आया? व्हाई आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन फाइनेंस?
Because of ma'am, I have one subject, the personal finance.
हाँ,
There are learn about how to our finance invest in other things.
वेरी
That's
गुड.
uh,
Very good. Talk about this. Interview is all about telling stories. You have such a good story with you, share it. Tell that while I was doing my graduation, I was learning a subject called personal finance. where they were teaching us how to manage our finances and what is all about finance. जो भी आपने पढ़ा, that really interested me and made me realize that this is where my interest lies in, this is where my passion is, which is why I want to pursue a career in finance. I also know that I'm not from a finance background, but I have these skills. जो भी आपका 3-4 skill है, and I know that this will be applicable to my role in the finance industry as well. Lastly, आपको ये बताना है कि finance is a growing industry, right? Finance में बहुत scope है. So that is also giving you an additional motivation to be a part of this industry. So you can divide this answer into 3 points and answer it like this. Okay, Kajal, are we clear till here? We are good?
Okay.
Okay, super. My next question to you is, so Kajal, how will you manage pressure and tight deadlines, which you know is going to be very common in the finance industry?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
So good that you asked me for clarity. Kabhi bhi, if you don't understand the question, ma'am, could you please repeat the question? It's absolutely okay to ask. So that is good. My question was, how will you manage pressure and tight deadlines, which is going to be very common for you in finance industry?
During my studies, I complete doing internship with the studies, and sometimes teachers give assignments to us, and internship also give some activities to do same time. That's why I divided up times to sometimes to internship complete process and sometimes complete our assignment, so that manage are divided into two parts. That's why I manage our deadline and handle this process.
Good, Kajal. I know that this was a very impromptu question, but you answered very well. I was happy that you got out your internship experience and your college assignments. ठीक है? You can also better tell कि आपने internship कहाँ से किया and what you were working. Be a little more specific. ठीक है? उसके बाद you can talk about your college assignments. Now you know, Kajal, in my classes I taught you some time management techniques very recently.
Yes, ma'am.
Eisenhower, time blocking, Pomodoro. I've taught you that prioritization. Use any one of the technique. कोई भी एक technique बोलो that this is the technique that I have recently learned and I'm going to use this technique going forward in my work so that I can manage tight deadlines also and I can be productive at work. So this is how I'm going to manage my time. Conclude it better. So when you give a technique, the HR is going to be very impressed that you know how to manage your time. ठीक है, तो जो आपने बोला अच्छा बोला, बट उसके बाद टॉक अबाउट अ टेक्निक दैट यू वांट टू यूज इन योर लाइफ, उससे अच्छा इंप्रेशन क्रिएट होता है. आर वी गुड? आर वी क्लियर विथ व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all right. So thank you so much, Kajal, for being here today. It was lovely having you, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
And